Hari Om. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. Today we will learn how to use blend mode in vectorinkapp app. I am using vectorinkapp.io, that is online editor, and this is Google Chrome browser. So let us see how to use these blend modes in vectoring. So this is one small illustration which I have made just for the purpose of understanding how to use blend modes. So these are different shapes which are aligned in a particular way. So this shape is in front of everything. So I can move this shape behind by clicking here this option. So it is sent to back. So we can see this shape is sent to back, and again I will bring this shape in front by clicking this option. Why I am telling this? Because blend modes act on this particular color, and this particular color of this particular shape interacts with the lower shapes and their colors. So let us see where is that option of blend mode. Go to this particular color option, and then here we can see blend mode. Now currently blend mode is normal, so this is showing this shape and this normal color which we have selected from this particular wheel. Now if we select this and select multiply, now we can see what has happened. We can see that this particular color has multiplied with remaining colors which are behind this particular shape. Now let us zoom in. For zoom in purpose, while using vectorinkapp.io and using the mouse as well as keyboard, just press Alt and scroll up and scroll down to zoom in and zoom out. So this is very important tip for using vectorinkapp online editor. So I am using scroll button to zoom in, and now we can see this shape which is of this particular color, and it is interacting with lower shapes. So this is a little bit purple color, and it is becoming darker over here, this area. And again we can see this color, it is blue color actually, but it is multiplying with this particular olive color or yellow color, and that's why it is seen like this. See, if I move this particular layer like this, then you can see this layer only is interacting with the remaining colors. So if I bring this layer in this another illustration, what happens? Right. So it is interacting with the lower shapes or colors. If I bring these colors ahead, then it will not interact. So it has to be ahead of the remaining shapes. See, if this shape, I will go to this shape. This shape. Then I want to use blend mode on this shape. So I will go to this color option, and then from here I can use this multiply. See, with multiply these two colors are multiplying. Screen option. With screen, this color is, see, this part of the color is not visible, and this part of color is mixing and making it lighter. Screen. So these are different blend modes, and every blend mode has a different action on this blending. Blend means when we mix two colors, they blend with each other. So it is a blending of these colors. So here in the difference, we can see this has become orange color. Actually it is of blue color, but because of this blend it has become orange while interacting with white background, and while interacting with this purple it has become this light color. So these are the blend modes. You can try this. Some of them are lighter colors. So screen is lighter, overlay is lighter. So screen, see, lighter color, lighten, So this exclusion, hue, saturation, luminosity, so these are different blends which interact with the lower layers. So we can use this for the images also. For that purpose I have created one more illustration. Let's save and exit this. This is very useful if you want to give shadow effect or light effect or some interesting effect between the shapes. Now let us see for the image purpose how it is useful. So this image I have downloaded from the Google, and this image is having one flower with multiple colors, rainbow shape colors. Rainbow colors are there and the background is white, we can see. And then I have imported that image in vectorinkapp app. So here is that illustration. This is the image. I have gone to this particular option, and then from import I have imported. First I have downloaded from the Google, and then from this import image I have imported this image. Now this image is having multiple colors here and white background here. Now for this particular image also we can use multiply or other blend modes. For that purpose just click on the image, go on this option, then here you can see blend mode. So with this mode, if you click on this multiply, now we can see that white color has vanished and that these colors are multiplying with this color, pink color. So let us make it lighter color. So this is and I will remove the stroke. For that purpose I will go here and I will make the stroke 0. So image, go to the image, go to the color option of the image, then blend mode. Here the other option is screen. In the screen we can see remaining flower is not visible on this area, in this area, whereas it is visible here. So this is the interaction between the colors of the flower and the color of the shape which is behind this flower. Overlay option, see it has become lighter. Soft light option, lighten, darker, color burn. Nice effect we can see in this color burn option. The flower looks in a very different way, interesting way. Exclusion, in the exclusion you can see like this, like negative image we can see of a photograph. Hue, saturation, luminosity. In the luminosity we can see it has become little bit black and white, and it is interacting, that black and white is interacting with this particular color. So these are the blend modes which we can use in our illustration to make our illustration very nice and interesting. Thank you for watching Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya, Naathsanvidh.